Welcome back to another Zoho Creator video by Zentegra. In today's video, we're going to show you how to automate a powerful workflow that updates one form by matching a field from two other forms in Zoho Creator. So here's the scenario. We have three forms set up in Zoho Creator. The first is the Master SKU Form, which contains product details like SKU price and 3M order information. The second is the FBA form, where we store the Master SKU as a lookup field along with inventory ages for 90 days and 190 days. The third form is the discount calculation form, and this is where we want to update the records based on the data from the first two forms. Now let's break down what we're going to do. First, we're going to fetch all the records from the Master SKU form. This form contains product SKUs, prices, and other details that we need to work with. Once we have the data from the Master SKU form, we'll move on to the next step. Next, we'll find the matching records in the FBA form using the Master SKU lookup field. The FBA form contains the relevant inventory data for each SKU, such as the inventory ages for both 90 days and 190 days. We'll match the Master SKU field between the two forms and retrieve the necessary inventory details. Once we've found the matches and retrieved the inventory data, we'll automatically insert that information into the discount calculation form. This means the product SKU, price, 3M order data, and the inventory age information for both 90 days and 190 days will all be updated in the discount calculation form. By automating this workflow, you ensure that your data is always up to date across multiple forms without any manual intervention. That's all for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to follow Zentegra. Thank you.